And we've got some news just coming in. Sharad Pawar's course correction on Anil Deshmukh's hospitalization claim in his latest tweet. I mean, this is incredible. This is like a political game of ping pong over basic facts. Sharad Pawar has said in his tweet, "It has been brought to my notice that Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, who was detected COVID positive in February, got discharged from hospital on 15th February and was advised to be home quarantined between 15th to 27th February. During this period, he was house quarantined," unquote. Let's go across to Kamlesh. Kamlesh, very, very interesting game of, tu meh over facts, over whether, Anil Deshmukh was in hospital or at home. Yes. First the NCP fact checks the BJP, now the BJP fact checks the NCP, then Sharad Pawar is evasive, and finally he's been forced to put out a tweet.
Indeed, the way Sharad Pawar has come with a corrigendum about the press conference. But Shiv, let me also read out what Sharad Pawar goes on to say, that he honestly feels that the main issue here was the case of SUV with gelatin sticks found near Ambani house. I got to know that the ATS has arrested 2 people in connection to this case and investigating their involvement in the assassination of late Mansukh Hiren. The main case here was not the allegations made by the former CP, but that of the matter where gelatin sticks were found in a Scorpio vehicle outside Shri Ambani's residence and Mansukh Hiren murder case. I'm happy that the ATS is moving in that direction and in correct direction in their investigation. The investigation process shall continue and truth will come out. So Sharad Pawar clearly trying to say the issue here is not about Parambir Singh's letter, but about the investigations of the explosives that were found outside. And in his line, in continuing with his tandem, what he's been saying yesterday, that this is a tactic by Parambir Singh to divert attention from the main issue. That is what Sharad Pawar has been saying, and that is why today he went on to give that proof. But this is not, as I even earlier, just a while before speaking to you, I said that there will be more allegations and counter allegations that will come, and just in few moments we have had Sharad Pawar coming up with a corrigendum to what he had said. But there are several issues that started the entire debate, right from until, as Sharad Pawar mentioned, the explosive case, to the Home Minister now in the eye of storm. And at this point where I am, the Congress just met Chief Minister, also demanded to hold discussions in this entire issue. So from politics to the corridor, from the corridors of powers to bureaucracy to the police setup in Maharashtra, and to completely creating a storm in the Maharashtra political circles. It's all happening here.
It's the Supreme Court's also going to be stepping in very soon. I mean, this is incredible. This is escalating with each passing hour, and we'll be keeping you completely updated on this story that was first broken here.